bonne tenue de l'état civil a des incidences sur nos programmes de planification. Et le contraire, si l'état civil est mal tenu, ça veut dire que nos données statistiques sont faussées, avec des répercussions sur l'éducation, la population scolarisable, sur la santé, sur le plan économique. D'où l'intérêt d'avoir des statistiques fiables, et cela passe par un enregistrement régulier des naissances et de toutes les naissances, à l'hôpital et dans les villages et dans les quartiers. Cela est important et nous implique en tant que responsable, en tant que maire.
C'est seulement 63% des Sénégalais qui disposent d'un acte de naissance. Donc c'est absolument quelque chose qu'il faut améliorer. Au moment où on parle de la révolution de Big Data, que le Sénégal s'en trouve à ce niveau pose problème. L'ANSD joue un rôle d'exploitation, d'analyse et de diffusion des données de faits d'état civil. Nous encadrons tous les secteurs impliqués dans l'enregistrement des faits d'état civil et nous mettons à leur disposition des outils méthodologiques, aussi bien au niveau de la collecte que de la transmission. Les problèmes de remontée de l'information font que nous n'en produisons pas, ce qui nous aurait permis d'améliorer notre compréhension sur les causes de décès.
Registration to some people is a taboo. Nobody, culturally, for the Maasai, to talk about the death. They don't know where you need a certificate for.
One of the major challenges is the issue of logistics. We are talking about an area of operation which is vast, and many of these births and deaths occur in rural areas. To look for who was born, to look for who has died. Unless you go and look for them, people will not tell you. In this county, more than 50% of people are illiterate. They don't even understand the need for registration. It becomes difficult for them to comprehend what is the significance of registering. And therefore, there is that challenge in the first place to sensitize people to understand that this is a very important government process.
With birth registration, the uptake has been good because the benefits are easy to explain to the public. But for death, it's different. There are emotions associated with death. We have been conducting awareness campaigns. We invite the local leaders, religious leaders, people who have an influence in the grassroots, and we educate them above all the importance and the benefits of registering the two events. At the head office level, we are fairly computerized. Use of technology has the potential of improving our business processes, and we hope to apply technology to improve our service delivery standards. It is very important for the government to invest and support development of civil registration and vital statistics systems. The benefits are enormous. For the individual, the benefits as they go along the cycle of life. For that community, the planning at the local level, at the national level, so that a resource allocation will be based on facts and it will be done in the right way.